angithukundi
yeah.
All right. Kodwa awufanele ukuthi udream. It is written in the book of Leviticus. Ungadream. Do not dream your.
Hello guys, and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe. I absolutely appreciate it, guys. So I came across this video on TikTok. It's just a lady with her baby boy. So she's basically telling her son that isn't you don't have a father and I'm taking care of you, so I don't want to in the near future to start saying, hey, I want my father, and start going to some stupid TV shows and like looking for your father and all that. So she's also saying that, you know, I'm taking care of you alone. And then guys, Vuyo reposted that video. Pella, remember, most of the I'm one person, I'm also one of the people who love reposting videos on TikTok, and most of the videos that I repost are videos that I relate to, or videos that I like, or videos that I just find funny, right? So I was like, does this mean that Vuyo is relating to this video? Then I'm like, why would she repost such a video when she has a son and she is no longer with the father's son? Does that mean Uti Ubaba Izingane is not taking care of his son? I won't even say that, oh, Mpumelelo is not taking care of his kids, because I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. But based on what we saw on the TV show, at some point on the latest season of Zesthembu, Baba Mpumelelo did say that Usne is not responsible for ingane zakhe, but Mpumelelo is responsible. What Baba Mpumelelo wathi yena, if angane Mpumelelo imali, Mpumelelo uyakwazi ukuthi leyo mali ayidle nengane. Yabo? So he was basically insinuating that Mpumelelo uyazama enganeni. Well, that's what Baba Mpumelelo said. It's not me. I don't know if it's true. I don't know how far true that is, right? Also, on Izingane Zesthembu or Zesthembu, I haven't seen really where Udirelo or Vuyo have been complaining about who Mpumelelo is not taking care of the kids, like specifically really saying, Mpumelelo, you're not sending money for the kids, you're not buying pampers for the kids, you know, and all that. I haven't heard them complain about that part. I wouldn't know, because with Udirelo, because obviously she wouldn't expose him because they're still dating, right? Even if he was not responsible. Because I remember Udirelo did say, listen, I want to go back to school. You promised to give me to get me a nanny, you know, and all that. But she didn't say that you promised to take care of your child and now you're not taking care of the child. So what I'm basically saying in a nutshell is that personally, I haven't seen any evidence Mpumelelo is not taking care of ingane zakhe like other deadbeats out there. Because anyways, because also this lady who posted this video did say, I don't want you to you start looking for your deadbeat, you know. So there isn't much evidence Mpumelelo is a deadbeat. I don't know for now that Vuyo and Mpumelelo, they are no longer together. Maybe I mean, yeah, maybe. And that time when Vuyo was angry on the last season of Izingane Zesthembu, when he was going off at Mpumelelo, telling him about how he got an STI and all that, I mean, if Mpumelelo was not taking care of ingane zakhe, I think that would have been the chance for her to even say ukuthi vele futhi awondle ingane, but she didn't say that. So I don't know. Maybe mina, from what I see on Izingane Zesthembu and Zesthembu, it's that Mpumelelo is trying, is not really a deadbeat. Of course, we found out on Izingane Zesthembu ukuthi Mpumelelo went to visit Udirelo in February, ebe wamgcina last year in October, meaning ukuthi esekudlule like 4 months without him seeing the child. But we don't know was he sending money in those 4 months where he was not seeing the child? Was he, sending some financial support and all that? Yabo. So, that's what we were not told about that, and the fact that when Unzulu was born, when they had that meeting where Uvuyo asked for a meeting, part where family Vuyo and Mpumelelo's family, we learned Mpumelelo, that was the first time where he was seeing his son. But however, we were not told Uti maybe he hasn't been taking care of the son or whatever. We were not told. We were not given those details, but we were just told Uti it's the first time he's seeing his son, so I don't know. Anyways, thank you so much guys for watching. Please do let me know what you think on the comment section. Otherwise, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.